together, we're going to harness the moon. This is the new You 31 Days of Yoga series. And let's start with our knees apart and our toes apart. Inhale and exhale into a child pose. Your hands are forward. Now just rest here. If you need more room for your belly, just spread your legs a little more. Anything that don't feel right, we don't do it. Skip that, right? It may not all be for us. And on a big inhale, bring your hand towards you and get into a nice tabletop. So I'm bringing my knees a little bit closer to each other so they are hip distance apart. Just breathe here. Exhale your back up. Inhale your tummy in. Wag your tail a little bit. So feminine energy coming from the moon. That's our creative expression here. So make something your own. Maybe lifting one hand. Adding a little balance. That's also part of your feminine energy. Exhale. Let's try that on the other side. Maybe you're doing something different and that is fine too. Exhale. Bring your hands forward. Tuck your toes. Press yourself into a down dog. Walk your dog. I'm gonna run mine. I need a little bit of action right now, but your body may want just to be still. Maybe your body just need to be relaxed into it. So whatever works for you, pick that option and exhale back into your hands and knees. What's that? That's a folded towel. You have time, you can pose and go get one. If you have tender knees like me, just fold the towel under there. We're going to be on our knees a lot here. Big inhale, exhale into your child pose. Now I want you to spread your finger and press your fingertip into the mat, and then the start of your hand and then by your wrist there. So try to balance your energy into every little bit of your hand so your weight isn't all in your wrist. So we try to do that in even like when you're on your tabletop, when we were on our forwards here. Inhale, bring your bum up, tabletop. Now we're gonna bring our hands closer and come up a little bit. Place your hand in your lower back. If they only go to your hips, that's cool too. Put them wherever as far back as it's comfortable for you. If they want to go to your lower back, that's fine. Big inhale, exhale your elbows towards another. And if you're like this, just bring your elbows back. Yeah. Just nice little chest opener here. Exhale, support your lower back, maybe looking up. Looking on both sides, be a little curious, see what's there. Tuck in your belly. Exhale. Big inhale, now exhale your fanny towards your feet. You can always tuck your toes if it feels better for you. Inhale your arms up and exhale back into a child pose. And if your toes aren't already tucked in, we're going to tuck them in right now. So tuck your toes so your toes are touching the ground instead of having your feet flat. If that doesn't feel good, go in flat feet. It's all fine. It's all fine. We're just getting a nice little stretch in the foot right now because from having them flat on the top, on the ground. Now just look down towards your knees and make a little half moon with your chin. Maybe going towards one shoulder and then the other. Nice little half moon. Relax your neck. And inhale back in your tabletop. Again, exhale all the hair out. Inhale, and using your own breath, move your back. Nice flexibility of the spine here. It helps so much, your flexibility. And then you can have your nose get involved, a little more of your body. Looking forward, looking towards your belly. And when you exhale, try to press your hand, all the parts of your hands we mentioned. Just get a nice release in the neck and the upper shoulder here. Then let's slide our feet back a little bit. We're gonna make a bigger stand for our down dog. Make a full down dog. The heels do not touch the ground. If yours want to, just bring your feet forward a little bit. Now again, with distributing the weight in our hands, let's press, press, press. If you just don't want to go down, just maybe bringing your hands apart a little more to accommodate that. Look towards your knees. I'm doing my half moon with my neck to make sure it's relaxed. Big inhale and exhale back into your floor. So you're gonna slide your feet forward a little bit if you're using a towel. Now let's bring the inner part of our elbows one towards the other. So we're gonna inner spiral our arms. They turn back in so that this little nook here is facing the other one. Yeah, try that. See if it makes you a little more stable. It's a little better alignment maybe. Exhale back into a temporary child pose. We're going to start moving here. Inhale up. If your arms want to go all the way up, bring them all the way up. If not, just make sure you bring your elbows one towards the other. Big inhale. Open the chest. Look up. Even if you can't see your moon, it's hiding somewhere in there. Maybe it's daytime. The moon is still there. You just can't see it right now. Exhale, straighten your body. Inhale, exhale back to your heels. Now, if you want to just crisscross your feet here, and you can use your towel and sit on it for maybe a little height, a little comfort, whatever works for you. Inhale your arms up. Exhale forward. Inhale, bring your hands towards me a little bit more if it wants to go there. Exhale, round your back. Look towards your feet. Inhale, see if you can creep your finger forward a little more. Straightening the back and exhaling. Looking at the floor. And on an inhale, just start bringing your hands towards you. Now I'm going to take one leg and just put it over the other, but you can keep them like that if it doesn't want to, or fold it in the front, or bring it back more if you want. Let's inhale our arms up and go in the direction of the folded leg. Just brace yourself in the back here. And just enjoy this nice little stretch, nice little twist. You can look to the side. Yeah, this is the laid back mat. We do things like that. Exhale, gently remove your foot from the top and let's switch that. If your legs don't want to go like that, just bring the back foot in the front for something a little different. We always have one side that wants to do it, the other one says no, no. Inhale up, exhale, hand goes back, and very important, make a little rest for your chin there on a laid back mat. Yeah, that's how we do things here. Just breathe, maybe close your eyes. See how your body's feeling. Don't try to show off. It doesn't feel right, just move out of it a little bit or completely. Inhale back center. Bring your leg crisscross again. Big inhale, exhale, plant your hands forward. Inhale, round your back. No. Inhale, bring your belly button towards me, gentle, small movement. Exhale, round your back, press into your hands. Inhale towards me. Exhale towards the back. And with your own breath, do a couple of those. Inhale straight, bring your arm to your lower back. Elbows toward one another. Trying to keep your knees grounded towards the mat. Try to round your back a little bit. Don't lift your chin too high. Bring it down a little, maybe you don't want to strain your neck here. Never worth it. Inhale back, a little shoulder roll. Let's back on our knees. This little modified sun salutation, we're gonna do it with a little more gusto here. We're going in full moon. Oh, exhale into your child pose. Stay there a moment if it feels good. I hope you have the remote, you can pause that or... Oh, just rest. Inhale, slide your hands. We're going into a tabletop. Exhale, down dog, the little shorter one. Big inhale, exhale, knee down, tabletop. Inhale, exhale and tuck the toes, child pose. Inhale up, bring your hands back. Big inhale, elbow towards the other, keep breathing here. On an exhale, back on your knees. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, child pose. Now go at the speed you want. I'm gonna speed it a little more, but go at your own pace, please. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, tuck your toes. Big inhale, exhale, tabletop, child pose. Lift your bum, inhale up. I'm opening my arms up. Exhale. Just breathe here. And back down. Arms in the back. Towards the other. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Go at your own pace. And now I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. Only do what you remember, and it's okay if you missed a step. Close your eyes. Do what you can. And take your time here, and when you're ready, just meet me. We're gonna just sit with our little crisscross legs, whatever feels good to you right now. Big shoulder roll. Bring your foot down here for a variation of goddess. And then just take your elbow, bring your leg apart. This is a laid back version of goddess. So thank you so much. You harness the moon with me. The moon is a powerful source of energy, and as a woman we can tap into that energy and harness our power from it. It awakens our inner goddess. So take advantage of that. A little moon salutation, and if anything, I hope you at least had fun. Make your body a little more flexible each time. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste. you.